Weenie dog. Weenie dog. Are you
seriously having a go at it?
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Brisbane Cars and Coffee. And this is the first one back since the whole lockdown shit, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So it should be a big one. We're like, starts at 7:30 and it's 6:35 and it's already pretty busy. We got a learner driving a GTSR. How to envy him. Yeah, so there should be an F8, potentially an Enzo, and a few other bits and bobs, but let's get to it. Alright, so we got 812 and DB4. That's clean.
Like the one rolling. Like a little bit silver pro. Yeah.
Oof. Speciale 4C 488 4C. Doesn't that shoot flames?
Engines.
Yeah.
Every week, over 1,000. I get rid of my work at 10.
Well, here's something a little rare. This is Australia's first customer delivered F8 Tributo. A new Ferrari that actually looks good in red. Look at how good. That's clean. Dude, that looks sick. That's just iridescent. And then Enzo. Dog vlog. Dude, imagine living in Melbourne right now. But hey, at least you got YouTube to watch this in Melbourne. That's a positive.
Did you get one, mate? I love it. Yeah. I like it better than the yeah. I love it. I absolutely.
Guys, we were out with it the other day and
I dig it.
It is beautiful.
Oh,
when I first saw it, I didn't like it.
yeah. A lot of their new cars you have to get used to once they've been released. Look at this thing. It's a new one. But yeah, so it's already picking up pretty heavily here. It's like, no, it's like 640.
642.
It's 642. And look at this joint. This is 642 for a Cars and Coffee.
It hasn't even started.
Dude, like for Americans, this would be like nothing, but for like Australia, this is cooked. Alright, so for all the JDM people, you're probably gonna dig this, but there is a V-spec in Millennium Jade. That is absolutely mint. And along with that, grab a G700. These are large cars. I see the most important car here. Yes. 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 That's mint. I am complete. Well, I think that's my first new Supra on TE37, which is pretty cool. There you go. I don't know if I heard the unmistakable sound of an Aventador, but I think I might have. Holy shit. I don't know if this is a replica or not, but god damn, that's clean. That is very clean. I mean, here we have a wild Josh roaming around cars and coffee. Huh?
Some sneak peeks.
Sneak peeks. Wait, there we go. Ooh, kill him.
Dude, that is it's giving me ideas right now.
Should Josh bag the commie? Should the SV6 cup a set of bags? I reckon yes, but our bank accounts say no.
Yeah, financially.
Financially, fuck off.
Yeah. Pretty honest.
Still has a rover, mate.
Dude, did you see the midnight? Did you see the midnight purple R34?
Yeah.
Dude, that was clean as. Dude, Australia needs more cars on bags.
They're so expensive.
And there's still no Aventador. I thought I heard an Aventador before. No
Yeah, I'm
Aventador.
surprised by that.
But that was an AC Cobra. That midnight purple V-Spec 2 R34 was fucking gorgeous. Oh, it's the same color as mine, I think. That's just... Yeah, the coupe. Yeah, the coupe.
Dude, that paintwork's
Hell yeah. Dude, if E30s have one flex, it's with their hood up.
Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool.
If there's like one main selling point to get an E30, it's that. It's that.
Yeah.
It's that look with halos that just set them off. Look at this absolute track weapon in the middle. Whew. So, you wouldn't believe it, but we've got another mint 34. It's about to eat a dog. That's mint. Yeah. I fuck with that. Wait, weenie dog. Weenie dog. Look at it go. You know how much they cost?
No shit. I want one.
You know how much they cost?
Yeah, fuck it.
You pulling like $4,000 out your ass for a sausage dog? $4,000 sausage, how good. But on the other note, check out this Pista. This Pista is like gold spec.
I'm gonna crack it.
Yeah, crack it. Let me enjoy the Pista first,
Yeah.
and then I'll crack it. Yeah. Polarize this shit. That is so clean and so simple.
How much do you reckon seats like that?
Oh, dude, it's so tailor-made.
Oh yeah.
Look at the dash.
It's like all grey.
And
Do you see the paddle shifters? With the gold on them?
actually, can I polarize it? Oh. That's probably so far my all-time favorite Pista I've seen. Is this it?
Yeah. It's a drift weapon.
It's got tilty boys. True. I'm all for doing what you want to your car. Like I'm
Wait. No. You need to put a disclaimer. No hate to owners. If you like it and that's your shit. This is our opinion. We're very opinion.
Unless you do this.
You know what I'm gonna say?
What?
Take a guess.
What
do we do to cars like this?
Does it involve that?
What
Does it? No, we're done. Walk away. Cute little Alfa Romeo. And oh shit. Oh, look at this supercar. Oh.
Come on.
What?
How?
What?
Who?
What?
Who doesn't like that?
What?
Dude. I know I'm a Holden driver, but I don't hate Fords.
Yeah.
I don't.
Yeah, biggest lie of 2020 goes to this buffoon.
I don't. I thought
I don't
you
hate
know
them. I
you
don't
know
hate
just
them.
as much as
Every other time you saw
not
a
gonna
Ford.
lie, I was very, very close to buying a 500 horsepower one, but
Every time I mention a Ford around this coon cheese. Oh no, we can't use coon cheese anymore. It's racist.
I've come to terms with the fact that it's not even, no, I'm not even gonna say that. They're just
Oh. What, a GT Hatro Falcon? Horse. Yes. More dogs. Yeah. Look at him. He's so cute. So are the Porsches. My vlogs are officially going to be taken over as dog vlogs.
Good dig.
Good dig? What do you mean good dig?
Good dig.
What's that mean?
Porsches are cute.
Well, we have it. We have the winner of Cars and Coffee today.
Oh my god.
A lifted. Dude, what are the... What? Dude, forget the 430. Mobbing out in that. From the police.
Mud flaps.
I don't know what happened today, but it is a Fiat meet. Fiat.
They've created their own car meet within a car meet.
It's Fiat takeover. Forget like Lambo takeover or anything, we've got Fiat takeover. More weenie dogs. Oh, I don't know which one I'd take.
You know what? It's alright if your engine makes funky noises, because everyone's engine makes funky noises, dude. It's just a thing.
Josh is just saying that because his engine makes tick-tick sounds.
Yeah.
What?
Enzo is leaving.
Ferrari? Ferrero? Do we
go to
do we
front.
do we go to
Yeah, we go to the front.
so for anyone that's not Australian, it is very rare for us to have anything like an Enzo actually out and about at car events. So hopefully we get a bit of a pull from this one leaving. Oh! Almost just broke my ankle. That's all good. Dude, what is this Tesla doing? luxury couch on the move.
Dude, you could have made so much money just then. You should have let him run over your foot.
This is not America. I haven't seen many new Supras with aftermarket wheels. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Move your shit box. Are you
seriously having a go at him?
That can't be it. Surely he's gonna launch. Dude, this thing is ridiculously loud. I had high hopes for this.
No, dude, you're gonna hear it. Trust me. Okay, it sounds cool. Bottle flip?
You won't. Oh, let down the boys. So that wraps up our morning.
You'll never believe it.
What? There was,
Another bar.
I don't know what it is with today, but it is like they held the Australian national fucking fiat meet today. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.